Do you want to apply for permanent residency in Germany? Do you want to know what are the fast-track ways to get PR in Germany? I will share some common questions that you must prepare before you go for PR appointment at immigration office. Trust me, if you do not speak German language well and if you prepare these questions as I said, then I guarantee you that you will crack your PR applications without fail. Let's understand what is permanent residency or PR in Germany, what are its benefits over normal visa or work permit, and how can you get it on fast track. First thing you should know that the permanent residency, or in German Niederlassungserlaubnis, is not the same as having visa or German citizenship or German passport. Compared to any short-term visa, PR allows you to stay and work in Germany as long as you wish or as long as your passport is valid. Let's take a look at the list of rights or benefits that you will get if you have a PR over having any short-term visa. PR is something like unlimited residence permit, and with this you can live in Germany as long as you want. You can also change your job anytime without being bound to your academic qualification. Usually when you move to Germany for job purpose, you get a temporary residence permit or a blue card, and with this permit you cannot work in the field that are not relevant to your qualification. Example, if you are a software engineer, then you cannot work in a supermarket or you cannot work in a restaurant. But if you have a PR, then you can do any job. With PR you can also start a business. You can even start a restaurant or open a beauty salon. You can also work as a freelancer. With PR you can also get home loan from the bank, and you can even access social security benefits. If you have permanent residency and if you stay in Germany for 6 to 8 years in total, then depending on your nationality you can apply for German citizenship as well. Now let's take a look at the faster ways to getting permanent residency in Germany. To get permanent residency you have to meet several requirements. First, you must live in Germany for 2 to 5 years depending on the different cases that I'll explain shortly, and you must have paid contribution to pension and insurance, meaning you must have paid tax for that period. Now I will tell you those different cases where you can be eligible to get PR even faster. First case, if you have completed a degree or a vocational training in Germany, then you can get PR in 4 years. For that you need B1 level German and 2 years of job in your field of qualification. So after 2 years of degree or training and 2 years of job, you are eligible to get PR. Second case, if you are a skilled worker, which means if your degree is officially recognized in Germany, then you can apply for PR in 4 years. Then third case, if you are a self-employed and if you earn above specific threshold and if you have been paying for health insurance, then you can apply for PR in just 3 years. Now fourth case, if you are a part of a German family for at least 3 years and if you speak German at B1 level, then you can apply for PR as well. Another case, which is a very common and also my case, special skilled worker or blue card holder. I will talk about myself. I came to Germany for work purpose and I work as a software engineer. I had a blue card initially, so people who comes under demanding or special skilled category like engineers, mathematician or scientist, they can apply for PR in just 21 months if they possess B1 level German language proficiency. Can you believe that? Unfortunately, I could not manage to learn German at B1 level, so I could not get PR in 21 months. However, it is possible to get PR in 33 months if you learn A1 level German. I did that and I got my PR in 33 months only. This way is still the fastest way to get PR in Germany. There are many other ways to get PR fast track, for example becoming a civil servant, but I will not explain those specific cases in this video. Let's quickly understand the application process and exact steps to get PR. First, you need to check if you are eligible to get PR or not. Second, you must not carry any criminal record. Your German language level must be approved as B1 if you do not come under special skilled category. You can validate if your qualification is considered under special skilled on this website. Then you also need to be financially sustainable and have accommodation in Germany, which means having job and registered accommodation is required. Now let's quickly take a look at the list of documents that you will need. By the way, this list can change time to time, so please make sure that you verify it on official website. We'll put all the official website links in the description box. So you need a passport, a completed application form, a recent passport size picture, proof of German health insurance as a proof that you paid your contributions. Then you need proof of social security contribution, proof of financial stability such as proof of employment, bank statement or tax return, a recognized certificate of German language, contract of employment with salary statement from last 6 months and certificate of employment issued within the last 2 weeks. Then you need certificate by the German pension insurance institution. Then you also need to show a proof of your residence. You also need to show your rental agreement from your landlord. Then you will also need a proof of having a German university degree or a vocational certificate, and you will also need your marriage certificate if you are married to a German national. There are several other documents that you can check here. If you are well prepared exactly with these documents as I mentioned, then you are good to go. Imagine you are eligible to get PR. You have prepared all the documents as per the checklist. Next what? You need to send these documents to immigration office. The approach of sending application varies in different cities. If I talk about Berlin, then you might need to send an email at this email address asking them that you need to apply for PR. Note that this email might not be valid depending on when you are watching this video. You will get a reply in a few days and they will either give you an appointment to bring your documents in person, or they might ask you to send all documents via email or hard copies through post. Once they verify all of your documents, they will give you another appointment where you have to visit immigration office and they will have some conversation with you. They will also take your biometric data and they might ask you some questions. You also need to pay a standard fee of 135 euros, though if you are self-employed then you will have to pay like 200 euros. After this appointment, they will send you the PR by post or they will ask you to collect from office. Usually it takes 4 to 8 weeks to get your PR by post. Congratulations. Now you know everything about application process for getting your permanent residency. Let me quickly explain you about the PR appointment and I will share some questions that you must prepare before you go to this appointment. See, you are entering to the world of bureaucracy and papers. So make sure that you prepare all your documents exactly as it is mentioned. As soon as you enter to the room, you can expect that the person will start speaking with you in German only. It is extremely important that you at least try to speak few German sentences which can give them the impression that you are learning or at least you know basic German. If you have not done German language course, then let's go through some questions that you should mug up.
Hallo, wie geht es dir? Mir geht es gut. Wie geht es dir? Darf ich hereinkommen? Kann ich sitzen? Ich lerne Deutsch. Ich kann ein bisschen Deutsch sprechen. Ich verstehe Deutsch, wenn jemand langsam spricht. Bitte oh nochmal bitte. Ich bin 29 Jahre alt. Ich lebe seit 5 Jahren in Deutschland.
There are many such questions. If you want to know more, then please write interested in the comment section and I will send you the whole list to you. The second tip that I would like to give you is that if you want to make your application process faster, you can take the integration course and present a certificate as an evidence that might improve your chances. If you were finally given a PR in Germany, your spouse and children will be allowed to stay with you and get a residence permit. Third and the last thing, check your documents thoroughly and come in time for the interview so that your application process goes smoother and easier. Now let's sum up everything and double check. To apply for permanent residency in Germany, you must check your eligibility, prepare a set of documents including your passport and proof of employment, education, financial stability, insurance and German proficiency. Then you need to fill in the application form and get the appointment for the interview. Then you need to attend the interview and lastly, you have to be patient. I believe that this video has given some values to you and also cleared your doubts about getting PR in Germany. You can find all the useful links in the description and you are welcome to ask any questions in the comment section. Also, check my other videos where I have thoroughly explained different type of visas. Hit the like button and I'll see you in the next one. Meanwhile, take care, stay healthy and stay wealthy. Bye bye.